प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम. सो जैसे नॉर्मल नंबर्स की प्लेस वैल्यूज होती है, वैसे डेसिमल नंबर्स की भी कुछ प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम होता है. दिस इज द प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम ऑफ डेसिमल नंबर्स. नाउ सी हियर, दिस इज डेसिमल पॉइंट. यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट है. सो डेसिमल पॉइंट से पहले यानी इसके लेफ्ट में जितने भी नंबर्स होंगे वो सब नॉर्मल नंबर्स हैं, जो हम जिसकी प्लेस वैल्यूज कैसे देते हैं, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, थाउजेंड, 10,000, ये सारी इसकी प्लेसेस रहती हैं जो हमारे नॉर्मल नंबर्स की होती है. बट आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट इज टू द राइट, यानी राइट साइड में जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं उनकी जो प्लेस वैल्यूज होंगी वो कैसे होती है, टेंथ्स, हंड्रेड्स, थाउजेंड्स एंड 10,000s एंड सो ऑन. इस टाइप के आपके यहाँ पे प्लेस वैल्यूज होती है. सो फॉर टेंथ वी विल राइट स्मॉल t, फॉर हंड्रेड वी विल राइट स्मॉल h, फॉर थाउजेंड्स वी विल राइट th small. But what is the fraction for this tenth, hundredth and thousands? So for tenth we will write 1 upon 10, for hundredth we will write 1 upon 100, for thousandth we will write 1 upon thousand, for 10,000 we will write 1 upon 10,000. इस टाइप से आपके यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शंस आ जाते हैं फॉर दिस वन. सो आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट जितने भी नंबर्स होंगे उनकी प्लेस वैल्यूज इस तरीके से फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में रहती है. एंड बिफोर डेसिमल पॉइंट यानी राइट साइड में हमें नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है फ्रॉम 100, 1000, 10 एंड एटसेट्रा. सो डेसिमल नंबर्स एक्सटेंड द प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम टू द राइट ऑफ द वंस प्लेस. यानी ये जो वंस प्लेस है आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट कहाँ चलेंगे, राइट प्लेस पे चलती है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10, 100, 1000 एंड सो ऑन. नाउ हाउ टू एक्सपैंड अ डेसिमल नंबर, यानी हम एक्सपेंशन कैसे कर सकते हैं, किसी नंबर को एक्सपैंड कैसे करते हैं. जो 1514.865, अब हमें इस नंबर को एक्सपैंड करना है. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट 1000 फॉर दिस वन. सबसे फर्स्ट जो नंबर है वन, वो थाउजेंड्स की प्लेस पे, इसलिए हम इसको क्या लिखेंगे, 1000. देन प्लस 500, बिकॉज 5 जो है वो हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस पे था इसलिए 500. देन फॉर अगेन दिस वन वी विल राइट 10, एंड फॉर दिस 4, क्योंकि ये वंस की प्लेस में था इसलिए हमने इसको लिखा प्लस 4. नाउ आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट आप इसकी प्लेस वैल्यूज या इसको एक्सपैंड कैसे करेंगे. सो आफ्टर वी विल राइट दिस 8 एज 0.8, बिकॉज ये जस्ट इस नंबर के इस पॉइंट के बाद में था. सो वी विल राइट दिस एज 0.8. Then after addition we will write 6 as 0.06. Now see, यहाँ पे जो 0.06 है ये किसकी प्लेस पे आया, दिस हंड्रेड की प्लेस पे था. तो यहाँ पे 2 zeros हैं और 2 zeros के अकॉर्डिंग एक तो यहाँ पे 6 हो गया और दूसरा हम क्या लिखेंगे 0. यानी अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस 8 को हटा देंगे. सो जब हम इस 8 को हटा देंगे तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा उसकी जगह 0. सो दिस विल बी 0.06. सो दिस विल बी 0.06. नाउ नेक्स्ट लास्ट जो 2 है उसके लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे, 0.002. नाउ सी ये 002 कैसे आया, बिकॉज हमने अब 8 और 6 दोनों को हटा दिया है और लास्ट में सिर्फ क्या लिखा है 2. सो इनकी जगह पे हम क्या लगाएंगे, जीरोस लगाएंगे. अब आप इनको 0.8 की जगह 8 अपॉन 10 करके भी लिख सकते हैं. देन इस 0.06 को हम 6 अपॉन 100 करके भी लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस है. वैसे हम इसको 8 अपॉन 10 प्लस 6 अपॉन 100 प्लस 2 अपॉन 1000 भी लिख सकते हैं. तो आप इसको दोनों टाइप से लिख सकते हैं, डेसिमल फॉर्म में भी और फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में भी.
Good morning kids, I hope you understand the previous part, the introduction part. Now we are going to start exercise 11b, which is on page number 99 and 100, and we are going to solve question number 1 that is given, write as common fractions, and that we have already done in exercise 11a. So let's start with a part of question number 1, that is given 0.65. So 6, 5, 2 digits are there after decimal point. So according to 2 digit, what we are going to do, we are going to write 100 in the denominator because there are 2 digits after point. So according to 2 zeros, we are going to write 100, right? And the whole number is 65. We are going to write in the numerator only. So 0.65 is equals to 65 by 100. In this one, 0.721. Now there are 3 digits after point. So according to 3 digits, we are going to write 1000 in the denominator. right? Because इसमें भी 3 zeros होते हैं, and here after point there are 3 zeros, and the whole number you are going to write in the numerator, and that is 721 only. So 721 divided by 1000 is the common fraction of 0.721. Then in this one, E part, 2.34. Now here, after decimal point, there are only 2 digits. Okay, यहाँ जो after decimal point है, वो 2 digit ही है. So according to these 2 digits, we are going to write 100 only. You are not going to write 1000 here, because you have to count digits after decimal point only. So after decimal point, there are 2 digits. So we are going to write 100 in the denominator, and whole number will be 234. You have to remove the decimal point. So this will become 234 by 100 only. In this one also, you have to count after decimal point, and after decimal point there are 3 digits. So according to 3 digits, you are going to write 1000 in the denominator, and in the numerator you are going to write whole number, and the whole number is, after removing this decimal point, 5670. So 5670 divided by 1000 is the common fraction. Here in this one, G part, 25.09, and after decimal point there are only 2 digits. So according to 2 digits, we are going to write 100 only, and the whole number after removing this point will be 2509. So you are going to write numbers only in the numerator, and in the denominator you are going to write 10, 100 or 1000 according to after decimal point how many digits are there. So similarly, you have to solve other parts of question number 1. In question number 2, write as decimal fractions. We are going to make fraction a decimal number. So here it is. First question is 15 by 10. This is a fraction, and we are going to make it into decimal number. ये सारे जितने भी fractions हैं उसे हमें किस में convert करना है? Into a decimal number. So according to this 10, we are going to put decimal point 1 digit before, right, from right to left. So from right to left, 1 digit is only 5, and उससे आगे क्या है? 1. So we are going to write decimal point, or put decimal point between 1 and 5, because यहाँ पे जितने zeros होते हैं उसी के according हम क्या करते हैं? decimal point digit before वो decimal point को put करते हैं. So यहाँ पे 1 0 थे, that means we are going to put a decimal point 1 digit before. Now see, there are 2 zeros. So according to these 2 zeros, we are going to put 2 digit before a decimal point. So it will be 2.05. So if there are 2 zeros, you are going to put a decimal point 2 digit before. Now there are 2 zeros again, so we are going to put a decimal point 2 digit before, and there is only 2 digit, so we are going to put decimal point just before this 87. Now this will become 0.87. You can write it as 0.87 or 0.87. This one, 10 is given, and according to 10 there is only 1 0, so we are going to put a decimal point 1 digit before only, from right to left, that you have to remember. So right to left only 4 is there, 1 digit, so you are going to put decimal point just before this 4. So it will become 65.4. This will be answer. Here in this one, now 3 zeros are there according to 1000, so we are going to put a decimal point 3 digit before. So 2, 3 and 7 से पहले क्या आ जाएगा? Decimal point. That means 4.732. This will be answer. Here in this one again 3 zeros are there, so we are going to put a decimal point 3 digit before, but there is only 2 digit. So 2 digit we are going to write first of all, and then we are going to write extra 0 to make it a 3 digit number. Now this is 3 digit number, and we are going to put a decimal point here, and सबसे आगे भी आपके क्या लगाएंगे? 0 लगाएंगे. Or you can say there are 4 digit, so you are going to make this as a 4 digit. First you will write this 50, and 2 इसके आगे आप extra 0 लगा देंगे to make it a 4 digit number. You will not start with 5 0 and then after 0 0 को आप बाद में लिखेंगे, and उससे पहले आप क्या लगाएंगे? zeros, and then you can put a decimal point leaving 3 digits, so it will be 0.050. So in this one, this is a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction को हम क्या करेंगे? This is just like 8 plus 6 upon 10. इसे हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Now see, this 6 upon 10 will be 0.6, And if we add 8 to 0.6 and we will get 8.6. So the answer of this 8 6 by 10 is 8.6 only, because 8 को आपको as it is रखना है, जो whole number होगा हमें उसे as it is रखना है, and after decimal point we are going to make this one only. यहाँ जो ये 29 by 100 है, here 400 by 1000, 65 by 1000, this we are going to change only, not this whole number. So whole number we are going to write as it is. यहाँ पर भी ये 17 as it is रहेगा, and after decimal point जो भी यहाँ पे digit आएगा आपको वो लिखना है directly. So 29 by 100, what will it make? 0.29, right? According to 2 zeros. So we are going to write 0.29 here. So after decimal point it will be there, 17.29 will be answer. Here in this one, 4 you are going to write as it is, because this is a whole number in a mixed fraction, and we are going to change this 65 by 1000. Now according to 1000, 3 zeros are there, so we are going to put a decimal point 3 digit before, and 3 digit यहाँ पे नहीं है, so हम यहाँ पे 3 digit बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, एक extra 0 लिखेंगे. So 0.065 is the conversion of this one, and 4 is the whole number. So 4.065 is the answer. In this one, again 400 by 1000, because 25 we will write as it is, and then 400 by 1000 will it make 0.400, because 3 zeros are there, and before 3 digit we are going to put a decimal point. So this will make 0.400, and then add this 25, so it will make 25.400. Similarly, you can do other parts of question number 2. Question number 3 and 4, which is related to decimal and common fractions only. So question number 3 is fill in. I have written 3 parts of question number 3. First is 17 by 10. So we are going to make it into a decimal number first. So 17 by 10 is 1.7 only. And how you will read it? You will read it as 1.7, right? And this one, B part is given like this. Now we are going to make it into common fractions. So 8.04, so according to 2 digit after decimal point, we are going to divide it by 100, and whole number will be as it is, 804. So it will be 804 upon 100, and how you will read it as? You will read it as 8 point and then 04. So 8.04 will be its answer. Similarly, in this one, 12.133. So you are going to read it as 12.133. And then what will be the common fraction of this one? After point, there are 3 digits. So after decimal point, there are 3 digits. That's why we are going to write 1000 in the denominator, and whole number as it is after removing point, 12,133. So 12,133 divided by 1000 is the answer. And आप इसको कैसे read करेंगे? That you are going to write here. In question number 4, write as decimals and common fractions. Now statements are given. You are going to write it in decimals and common fractions also. So here it is given 1.05. So it will be 1.05 only. And what will be the common fraction of this one? It will be 105 divided by how many digits are there after decimal point? 2. So we are going to write 100. For this one, 4.106. So 4.106, and after decimal point there are 3 digits. So we are going to write 1000 in the denominator, and numerator will be 4106. In this one, 100.13. So 100.13, and what will be the fraction? Fraction will be divided by 100, because after decimal point there are 2 digits, and 10013, that means 10,013 divided by 100 is the answer. Similarly, you can do other parts of question number 3 and 4. In question number 5, we are going to write the place values of the numbers after decimal point and before decimal points. So here I have written some questions. A part is 6.0. So हमें यहाँ पे 6 की बतानी है. In C, in B, in D part, सब में हमें 6 की place values बतानी है. So you have to remember this place value system first of all. बिफोर डेसिमल पॉइंट जो आपके नंबर्स होंगे वो नॉर्मल नंबर्स है, लाइक वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड एंड थाउजेंड्स वाले डिजिट्स होते हैं. एंड आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट 10, 100, 1000 in the denominator of the number. For example, this 6.0, so this 6 is for ones only because ये before decimal point है, and 0 is for 10th value. So हमें यहाँ पे 6 की बतानी थी, तो 6 into 1 the place value will be 6 only. In this one 0.06, इसमें अगर हमें 6 की place value बतानी है, so this is after decimal point second place. So after decimal point second place is for hundreds. That means we have to write 100 in the denominator of this 6. So place value of this 6 is 6 upon 100. Like this you have to write the place values. For this one 0.6, so 0.6, that means this is 10th value. So you are going to write 6 by 10. For this one 0.006, this is the third place after decimal point, and after decimal point third place is for thousands. So you are going to divide it by 1000. So this will be 6 by 1000. For this one 19.506, in this one 1 is for tens place, ये tens की place पे है, so 1 into 10 will be 10 only, right? For this 9, this is for ones place, so 9 into 1 is equals to 9 only. For this 5, this is after decimal point first number, so after decimal point first place is for 10th, so this will be 5 by 10. For 0 it will be 0 by 100, and for this 4 it will be 4 by 1000. For this one 538.97, so 5 की जो place value है that will be 500 because ये hundreds की place पे. For this 3 it will be 30. For 8 ये ones की place का है, that's why we are writing 8 only, and after decimal point first place is for 10th, so 9 upon 10, and second place is for hundreds, so we are going to divide it by 100, 7 by 100. Like this you have to write the place values of the other numbers also. Children, you have to omit question number 6 because it is just related to question number 7 only. So we are going to solve question number 7 here. Write in the expanded form, like the decimal numbers is given and we are going to expand these numbers. And how to expand these numbers? See, you have to remember the place values of the all numbers. So for this one, this is for ones place, and after decimal point this is for 10th place, and this is for 100th place. So we are going to expand, और जब भी हम numbers को expand करते हैं, we are going to put a plus sign in the between the numbers. So this 0 will be 0 only, then plus this 8 is for 10th place, so we are going to write 8 upon 10. Then again plus this 9 is for 100th place, so we are going to write 9 upon 100. This is the expanded form of this number. Similarly in this one 0.028, so 0 is for ones place, this 0 is for 10th place, for 100th place 2, and for 1000th place will be 8. So for this one it will be 0 plus 0 upon 10, 2 upon 100 plus 8 upon 1000. Similarly in this one it will be 10 plus 3 because this is for ones place and this is for 10th place, and this is for 10th place, that's why we are writing plus 5 upon 10, right? For this one again 20 plus 7 plus 9 upon 10, 0 upon 100, and this 6 upon 1000. Then in this one you will write this 205 like 200 plus 0 plus 5, and then after decimal point the number should be written like 5 by 10, 0 by 100, and 2 by 1000. Similarly you can solve other parts of question number 7. So children, rest questions of this exercise we are going to do in the next class. So you have to do homework. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 we will do in your book only, and question number 7 all parts you are going to do in your notebook of this exercise, and please omit question number 6. Thank you.